Hello everyone, welcome once again to another Power BI related tutorial by Slideshow. In this part we will learn how to connect a live MySQL database with Power BI. So to connect a live MySQL database with Power BI, we will use a service called freedb.tech to first create some sample database. On this website, you can create a free remote MySQL database and you can connect it with Power BI. To create that, first go to freedb.panel website and here click on get started and select I don't have account. You have to select the free service and create your account and log in. You will receive a email confirmation email. So confirm your email, otherwise creation of this database will not be possible. After receiving that and confirming that, just come to your freedb.tech dashboard panel and from here create a database. Just write the name of a database and create a database. Okay, so I am writing Northwind and click create database. Then it will give you host, port and a database name. Okay, whatever host, port and database name you have created, just save them in a notepad. Now click on username, something like Northwind. I am using Northwind database, so I am writing Northwind here and click create user. So write DB name, FreeDB Northwind in my case and create it. Once you will create it, you will get a database name and a password. After having that password and database name, store those credentials with you. Next is to connect with remote MySQL. You will either need remote PHP MyAdmin or you will need MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is a unified tool for database architect developers and basically for database administration. Using MySQL Workbench, you can connect with server databases. So what you have to do, you have to simply download MySQL Workbench. If it is already installed, then you can proceed further. So from here, download the MSI installer. I will provide these links in the description of this video. After installation of MySQL Workbench, you will see something like this. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Here you have to focus on this plus sign, which is used for creating new connections. So here you can see the connection name. So in connection name, write something. For example, you can write something like free tech Northwind or whatever you want to write. And then in your host name, copy the host name from your FreeDB Tech host name. And then similarly, you can select the username. So here you can see host name and you can see username and you can set up the password here. Okay, whatever you have copied. So after writing host name and password, you can click here and click OK. In default schema, you can write the name of your database. So you will write the name here and click OK. You will see an OK button. Click OK, and after clicking OK, you will be connected to this server. Okay. Once you are connected to this server, you will see something like this. This is MySQL Workbench query screen where you can write queries, right? Here you can see tables. So here you can create new tables. What we are going to use is practice Northwind file. So I will provide you a link where you will get the practice northwind.sql file. So here is the practice Northwind SQL file. Okay, in this you can see we have create table categories, create table, insert values into categories, customers, etc. So this is a SQL file where all the category name, all the table names and their values are written, all the foreign key relationships are written, and just copy and paste it here in query. After this, select all and run this. this is the icon that you have to run your query. Execute the selected portion. You will see that it will start executing, and once it is executed, you will be able to see all the tables here. For Northwind dataset, I have provided an ER diagram in which you can see the relationship between 8 different tables: order detail, customer, etc. This dataset is something that I have explained in many other videos of mine. So Northwind dataset and its explanation I will provide you this link from where you can see this ER diagram and see the relationship between these tables. Okay, you can see how all these tables are connected with each other. So order details, orders, employees, customers, shippers, etc. Everything is there, and we have a dedicated video for this. Now, once it is done, your part here in MySQL Workbench is done. And from here, when I will provide you the link, you can download the Northwind MySQL .SQL file also. Okay, and we can run some query like select star from customers where city is equal to London, and you will see the output. You can see all those customers who are from London. So MySQL Workbench can be used to run queries. The only difference is this time we are connecting with a server-based database. Okay, so here open Power BI. In Power BI here search MySQL or SQL and select MySQL database, where you will be asked server and database name. So similar as you provided the detail in MySQL Workbench, you have to provide your server name here and database name here. Okay, so you will copy the server name and database name from there, and you will copy and put it there, right? So just copy and put it there, and then you can use the database connections, not Windows based, but you will use database. So just click on database and write the username that you have created, write the password that you have created, and select which level to apply this setting. Select the server name, click connect. Okay, after clicking connect, you will start seeing all the tables. Now you can select all these tables and you will be connected to a live remote MySQL database. Now how to analyze this is something that we have explained in another video. I will provide you the link to that video where you can get started with creating the data model. You can get started with applying basic queries, solving some questions, and practicing. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more interesting content like this.